The NS adapter is an adapter which allows you to use capsules in your Nanopresso. To use the NS adapter, the first step is to unscrew the lid of the Nanopresso and place the NS capsule holder into the Nanopresso. Next, screw the NS adapter ring onto the portafilter. Using a coffee capsule that's compatible with the NS adapter, place it into the capsule holder. Screw on the NS portafilter. Make sure the portafilter cap is screwed on tight in order to puncture the capsule. Proceed to add hot water to the water tank. Flip the Nanopresso upside down and start pumping with slow, consistent pumps to extract the espresso.